Worried you can't sell a home with structural issues in California? You can, and it doesn't have to be complicated. If you own a home in California that needs major repairs or has structural issues, you might be wondering whether it's possible to sell without spending thousands of dollars on repairs and renovations. The simple answer? Yes, you can sell a home with structural issues in California. When you work with a home buying company like Bridgehaven Homes, we buy properties in any condition, including those with foundation problems, roof issues, or other structural repairs. That means no costly repairs, no contractor quotes, and no stress about getting your home market ready. Here's how it works. Reach out to us with some basic information like address and property condition. We evaluate your home and give you a fair, no obligation cash offer. There's no waiting on appraisals, no buyer financing. If you choose to move forward, you pick the closing date. We handle the paperwork and cover all the closing costs. It's a simple process designed to give you control and peace of mind. Bridgehaven Homes makes selling a home with structural issues easy. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.